What's up, print fam? Welcome back to the print shop. Today I thought I would show you how we process blank orders. So we come in here to the embroidery office, and first thing we do is grab the slips, print them all, makes it easier. I like to do job tracking now. So basically from here, this is going to tell us who the order is for. It's going to tell us what they ordered so we can see all that. I also have a barcode, which I'm not going to, well, I guess I can show you. We got a barcode that shows or pulls all the information through the shipping system. And then we've got the order that I'm covering. So they want quantity 2. We are going to pull the blanks. We use this as a pre-stocking shelf. So this has got low inventory, probably about 500 to 1,000 of each color. And then the rest is upstairs. So in this case, they need 2 boxes of black. So we'll come over here to the shelf and grab 2 boxes of black, cover up that there. And then we know, okay, hey, this is 100 black. It'll fit in the 100 pen box. We've got a 100 pen box, 200 pen box, a 300 pen box, a 500 pen box. So depending on what you order, then we will come over and grab the appropriate box. So we have 3 different box sizes here. And then the last 100 box right here. I got to get more done. Now this box we do custom manufacture just for us. So I cut it on the sheets and do it myself, and it makes it super easy. It exactly fits 100, so it doesn't require any packing material. Put 100 pens in here, tape it up, and we'll show you the computer setup. So now we are at the shipping terminal, and basically what we've got here is ShipStation, or not ShipStation. I'm looking at ShipStation. We've got Pirate Ship, and we select this field right here, and then we scan the barcode on the packing slip, and that will pull up the order. And then on the order itself, it tells us kind of what they paid for shipping, as well as what service they want. That way we can match it when we're doing the actual shipping process. And then on the slip itself, we'll write down the date of it and how much shipping was so that we can do that in our job tracking. Then we put the label on it. And if it's post office, we put it there. If it's UPS, we put it there on the floor. That way post office comes every morning, and UPS, if they come, they come. If not, I text the UPS driver, whose name is also Darren, and he'll come pick it up. This is a business park, so he's always picking stuff up at the end of the day. I'll just text him, hey, can you stop by? And he'll pick stuff up. So super simple process. That's how we do it. Try to make it as simple, quick, and effective as possible. If you have questions or suggestions, let me know down in the comments.